The Arduino platform has taken the embedded world by a storm. It has reached many people since it started in 2003. This has attracted hobbyists and makers from all fields. Welcome to a course on Introduction to Embedded Systems using Arduino. Embedded systems is hardware and software working together. When a program is downloaded into a microcontroller for controlling a specific hardware, we have embedded systems. The Arduino platform is the best way of getting started in this. The board that will be used in this course is the Arduino Uno. In this course, the focus will be foundation building. If the foundation is right, then we can build on that to any extent. We will focus on starting from the basics, coding, resistance calculation, wire connections, and so on. We will also have a detailed look at the Arduino Uno board and also look into what other boards are available. With regard to programming, the focus will be on the structure of the program so that the same can be implemented on other platforms. Starting from simple topics such as blinking an LED, we will move all the way to serial communication and reading sensor values. Many students have been trained in classroom sessions using this course, and many have benefited from this. A number of workshops in colleges have been conducted. This is going to be a hands-on course where the learner is going to be engaged in all the experiments. The ultimate purpose of the course will be that the learner will be able to proceed on their own to more advanced topics. So join as we go through this course to learn embedded systems using Arduino.